Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we will practice easy English in Tokushima, Japan.
Tokushima? That sounds lively and beautiful.
Yes, Tokushima is famous for Awa Odori, whirlpools, mountains, bridges, rivers, and delicious food.
Haha, I already like the sound of this trip.
Please listen slowly and read the subtitles.
You can also repeat after us.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, enjoy the trip, and learn little by little.
Today, our topic is an exciting day in Tokushima.
Let's begin.
Hi, Paul. Welcome to Tokushima.
Thanks, Emily. The city feels calm, but also interesting.
Tokushima City has rivers, bridges, mountains, and a friendly atmosphere.
I can see water everywhere.
Good sentence. I can see water everywhere.
I can see water everywhere.
Tokushima feels open because there are many rivers.
Open is a useful word.
Open means wide, free, and easy to enjoy.
This city feels open and relaxing.
Great phrase.
I am ready to explore Tokushima.
Nice. I am ready to explore Tokushima. Now, let's talk about Awa Odori.
Awa Odori sounds famous.
Yes, it is one of Tokushima's most famous traditions.
The music sounds fun.
Good sentence. The music sounds fun.
The music sounds fun.
You can also say, the dance looks lively.
The dance looks lively.
Lively means full of energy and excitement.
Haha, I want to try the dance, but I may look funny.
That is okay. The important thing is to enjoy it.
The dance looks lively and fun.
Perfect. That sounds natural.
Tokushima already feels full of energy.
Next, let's go to Naruto to see the whirlpools.
Whirlpools. That sounds powerful.
The Naruto whirlpools are a famous natural sight.
How can I describe the ocean?
You can say, the ocean looks powerful.
The ocean looks powerful.
Powerful means strong and impressive.
The ocean looks powerful and mysterious.
Excellent sentence.
I have never seen anything like this before.
That is very useful. I have never seen anything like this before.
I have never seen anything like this before.
The whirlpools are breathtaking.
Yes, the whirlpools are breathtaking.
Naruto also has a very large art museum.
That sounds surprising.
It is a great place to enjoy art and culture.
How can I talk about art in simple English?
You can say, this artwork is impressive.
This artwork is impressive.
Impressive means it gives you a strong feeling.
This artwork is impressive.
You can also ask, who painted this?
Who painted this?
Good. That is a simple museum question.
Haha, I may need more art vocabulary.
Little by little, Paul.
This museum feels calm and inspiring. Emily, I am getting hungry.
Then we should try Tokushima ramen.
Tokushima ramen sounds delicious.
It often has a rich soup and a strong flavor.
How can I order ramen politely?
You can say, I'd like Tokushima ramen, please.
I'd like Tokushima ramen, please.
Good. It is simple and polite.
This soup smells rich.
Rich means strong, deep, and full of flavor.
The soup is rich and tasty.
Tokushima is also famous for Sudachi, a small citrus fruit.
Sudachi smells fresh.
Fresh is a perfect word for Sudachi.
Haha, Tokushima food makes me very happy.
Now, let's go into the mountains.
Where are we going?
We are going to Iya Valley.
Wow, the mountains are deep and beautiful.
Iya Valley is famous for dramatic mountain scenery.
How can I describe this scenery?
You can say, the valley is breathtaking.
The valley is breathtaking.
Breathtaking means very beautiful and surprising.
The valley is breathtaking.
You can also say, nature feels powerful here.
Nature feels powerful here.
That sounds natural and beautiful.
I feel small in a good way.
That is a thoughtful sentence. Now, we are at the Kazurabashi Vine Bridge.
This bridge looks exciting and a little scary.
Good sentence. It looks exciting and a little scary.
It looks exciting and a little scary.
You can say, I will cross the bridge carefully.
I will cross the bridge carefully.
Carefully means slowly and with attention.
I will cross the bridge carefully.
Are you ready?
Haha, I think so. Please do not walk too fast.
Do not worry, we will go slowly.
The river below is beautiful.
This place is exciting and peaceful at the same time.
That is a perfect way to describe it.
Next, let's visit Oboke and Koboke Gorge.
The river is so clear.
This area is famous for beautiful river scenery.
How can I describe the water?
You can say, the water is clear and beautiful.
The water is clear and beautiful.
Clear means easy to see through.
The water is clear and beautiful.
You can also say, the river looks peaceful.
The river looks peaceful.
Good. This is simple and useful.
I want to take a slow boat ride here.
That sounds relaxing.
Tokushima nature is really impressive.
There is also an important temple in Tokushima.
What is it called?
It is Ryozenji Temple.
It feels quiet and spiritual.
It is known as the first temple of the Shikoku pilgrimage.
How can I speak respectfully here?
You can say, I want to be respectful.
I want to be respectful.
Respectful means kind, careful, and polite.
I want to be respectful.
You can also say, this place feels peaceful.
This place feels peaceful.
Very good. Let's take a quiet moment here.
Yes, a quiet moment sounds perfect.
Now, let's review today's useful expressions.
Okay, let's review.
Number 1. I am ready to explore Tokushima.
I am ready to explore Tokushima.
Number 2. The dance looks lively.
The dance looks lively.
Number 3. I have never seen anything like this before.
I have never seen anything like this before.
Number 4. This artwork is impressive.
This artwork is impressive.
Number 5. I'd like Tokushima ramen, please.
I'd like Tokushima ramen, please.
Number 6. The valley is breathtaking.
The valley is breathtaking.
Number 7. I will cross the bridge carefully.
I will cross the bridge carefully.
Number 8. I want to be respectful.
I want to be respectful.
Now, let's practice shadowing.
Please repeat after us.
I am ready to explore Tokushima.
I am ready to explore Tokushima.
The dance looks lively.
The dance looks lively.
The ocean looks powerful.
The ocean looks powerful.
This artwork is impressive.
This artwork is impressive.
I'd like Tokushima ramen, please.
I'd like Tokushima ramen, please.
The valley is breathtaking.
The valley is breathtaking.
I will cross the bridge carefully.
I will cross the bridge carefully.
I want to be respectful.
I want to be respectful.
Great job. Your English is getting better.
Haha. Little by little, we are getting stronger.
Today, we visited Tokushima and practiced easy English.
We enjoyed Awa Odori, Naruto Whirlpools, art, ramen, Iya Valley, the Vine Bridge, and a peaceful temple.
Tokushima was lively, powerful, peaceful, delicious, and full of nature.
I really enjoyed the dance, the ocean, the mountains, and the food.
Please listen again and repeat the phrases.
Practice little by little every day.
What place should we visit next?
Kagawa, Kochi, Ehime, Osaka, or another place?
Please tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.